Jesus. Lord, I need you in my life. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you in my life. I need you, Lord. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you in my life today. I'm gonna worship you. I'm gonna stand here and say, I'm gonna worship you. I'm gonna clap your hand. I'm gonna worship you. And stand here today. I'm gonna worship you. And give you everything, Lord. Everything, Lord. Give you everything. I need you, Lord. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you, man. Lord, I need you. Back on the beat, I'm back on the beat with you. I'm studying for Christ all day. This bitch Shay all day. Reading the Bible, studying. And that's for Christ all day. I love you, Jesus Christ. You took me from. I can't even say it. It's not worthy to say it. You gave me a life, a newborn man, right here today. For you, Lord, I'm living for you. I need you, Lord, I need you now. I need you now. I need you now.
Man, I don't go for it, man.
What's your name, man, bro?
Shabo, man. I don't do everything, man.
Yes.
That's it.
Man, it's just us right here, B. It's just us, man. Shabo right there. Got Will in the building. You know what I'm saying? Got Just Rail in the building. Our man's T-Ward, he not here right now. Got Family Matters.
Shabo got that voice, dog.
I gotta get that bit. And how you hit play on this?
It started right here.
Hey, let me hear that bit, bro.
Hey, Shabo, you killed that joint. That thing was beautiful, though.